Good morning, my name is Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions. Today I'm shooting a video of our 2008 Dodge Grand Caravan SE. This is a rear entry, manual ramp and door, wheelchair mobility accessible van. You can see this entire conversion I can operate with just 2 fingers here. It's got these clamps, keep this ramp from rattling here and back. Very easy to do. It's got a handle here on the driver's side, and you can take that to the ground using just my index finger. The ramp itself is 32 inches wide. It does taper to 31 inches here at the base. So you get some with 31 inch wide wheels in here. It's got 8 tie down points. Can potentially hold up to 2 wheelchairs at a time, or a gurney or a stretcher. Spare tire. Headliner looks good. Got these jump seats in here. These jump seats are a $1,500 upgrade. They're already in this van. They have 25.5 inches of room between them. Dash looks good on this van. This van's a little older, but it's very low miles, very well taken care of. Looks like you can sync your phone to it. Dual climate control, rear air, cup holders, center console there. Plenty of cup holders for the console. We have a whole packet full of former receipts that the former owner had. They took very good care of this van. When you get everybody strapped in, and we do give 1 free set of pull-tight Q-straight tie downs away with each van. Get everybody strapped in, come back out. Pretty simple. Latch it down, and you are ready to roll. We shut this trunk lid, give it a good slam. Quick walk around on the van. Pretty clean van, tinted windows. It's got 4 matching Cooper tires between 5 and 6 30-seconds of tread on them, so they're not brand new, but they still got some tread left on them, and they're a good brand name Cooper tire. A very clean body for what it is, for the year, for the age. Of course, it's going to have some scratches and little tiny dents and dings on it, but I mean, it's overall a very clean body. It looks good. Paint still shines. Very nice van overall. Very clean interior. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. No signs of any smoke or unusual odors. Very small crack in that plastic right there. But overall looks clean. We always show you the VIN number. That way you know we have this vehicle in our possession. It's an internet scam where people put a VIN number online and try and get you to send money to them when they don't even have the vehicle. Speaking of that VIN number, we provide a free Carfax with each vehicle. You can see this one has no accidents or damage, just 2 owners, 8 service records, miles show actual. Let me scroll down here. Everything is green. No total loss, no structural damage, no airbag deployment, odometer checks out good, no accidents. There is an open recall, which any Dodge dealer in the United States will fix for you at no charge. As we scroll down, you can look at this by more for yourself, show some service records. So overall, just 2 owners on a 2008 vehicle. That's very good. That's exactly what we're looking for. No accidents, clean title, miles are actual. All right, back to the rest of the interior of the vehicle on the van. Very clean. So I better unlock the doors. There we go. These back seats look like they've hardly ever been set in, but overall, there's rear air controls as well. Beautiful vehicle for the age. We did take this on trade from a family. We've put a new gas tank in it. We've put a new fuel pump in it, replaced some transmission lines. Overall, we've done about $3,000 worth of work to this van. We go the extra mile, not only in our videos, not only in our Carfaxes, but also we do service these vans up. Try to make them reliable. 65,000 miles on it, no check engine lights, no airbag, no ABS, no dummy lights. We not only check the major things, we check the small things, the power windows. These are manual mirrors, just so you know. Let me pop the hood here so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood is a 3.3 V6 engine. It idles smoothly. Everything under the hood looks good. No signs of any damage, no signs of any accidents. Got our emission sticker there. No signs of any abnormal rust. This is exactly what I'm looking for on a used vehicle. As I crawl underneath, no signs of any major rust. There's going to be surface rust on 13-year-old vehicles. That's to be expected. But no signs of any bent metal. No signs of any leaks, major leaks or anything like that. And that's the #1 mistake people make when buying a used vehicle. They assume things. They assume because the miles are low. They assume because it looks nice in pictures. They assume because the salesman was nice to them. They assume it runs and drives good. They assume it's not all rusted out. Nothing could be further from the truth. You got to get a detailed video like this. And you'll notice our competition rarely, if ever, shows you the undercarriage of a vehicle, and there's a reason behind that. They buy these vehicles from New York, Chicago, Cleveland. They buy them all rusted out. Then they convert them, and then they sell them to you, fully knowing that most people looking for a mobility van are either buying online or they're unable to physically get under a van and look at it. So, they're selling you rust buckets, and if you go out and you're going to spend $10, $20, $30, $40,000 on a mobility van or more, and you don't demand a detailed video like this, you're asking for trouble. When it shows up and it's not what you expected, you really only have yourself to blame. So I don't care who you buy from. If you don't demand a detailed video, I promise you, from someone that's been doing this 10 years, you are asking for trouble. And if they won't get you a detailed video, who are you buying from and what are they really trying to sell you? One quick add-on to this video, I wanted to show you about some of these older Dodges, these little cables in this shifter. They get a little worn sometime. When you push this up, sometimes you have to push it all the way up, like quarter, just a little tad. If you don't, the key will not come out of the ignition. So you got to push that all the way up, make sure it's latched in. If you want us to replace that cable for you, we can. It's not a big deal. It'll be $300 or $400 on your dime. But I want to show you everything I know about the van. You get that pushed all the way up, the keys come right out. If it's not all the way latched up, give it a push. But if it's something you want changed on your dime, let me know. But again, I'm trying to show you everything I know about this van, so I wanted to add that little addition to this video. Thanks and have a great day. Okay, the final portion of the video. I always like to get the vans on a test drive, get them out, give them some gas so you can hear the engine run, feel the transmission shift through all the gears. And whether you take advantage of our free shipping in the lower 48 states, or if you come in and drive this van home. We've done our due diligence. We've made sure that it's roadworthy. Good acceleration, steering wheel's nice and straight. No unusual vibration or noises, so exactly what we're looking for. I've got the cruise control set. You can see cruise. Cruise works good. With all that being said, please keep in mind this is a used vehicle. We highly recommend an affordable extended warranty with every used vehicle. If you're going to spend thousands of dollars on a van, spend a couple $100s to protect it, and protect your investment. And look, I know there's a lot of people out there selling mobility vans. Keep in mind, we have over 750 transactions on eBay. Every one of those transactions has left us a positive review, 0 negative reviews. The 750 plus people that said we did them right, 0 people said we did them wrong. Last I saw on our Google reviews, we had 4.7 out of 5 stars. We've got great reviews. We go the extra mile, paying for Carfaxes, making these videos. Nobody, and I mean nobody in the country, goes as far as we do to show you exactly what you're getting. So if you're just going to give your money to somebody and cross your fingers and hope it turns out to be a good deal, good luck with that. I promise you, you're going to need it. Also keep in mind, we don't have any hidden fees. A lot of these dealers have a real nice price online. Then you factor in these $500 in document fees, tag fees, and $1,000 here, and $200 there. Next thing you know, then you add in shipping. Next thing you know, that real nice price you saw online is about $3,000 or $4,000 more. So, if I'm doing business with somebody, real quick, nice hard brake. No grinding, no squeaking, no unusual brake noises or vibrations. So again, exactly what we're looking for. What I was saying, if I'm doing business with somebody and they don't give me the real price, they tell me one price and they say, oh yeah, by the way, well, we've got this document fee and tag fee and processing fee. Yeah, Walmart doesn't do that. Best Buy doesn't do that. Why do car dealers do that? Because they're trying to slip in extra money on the back end. They're being sneaky, weaselly little car dealers. If someone's not going to tell you the real price up front, why are you doing business with them would be my question. I know I won't do business with somebody like that. Also keep in mind, if you want to see our entire inventory, www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. If you'd like to give us a call, 316-262-VANS. That's 316-262-8267. My name is Jeremiah. If you're more of a text messenger, give me a text, 316-518-4377. That's my cell phone number. You now have the owner's cell phone number. I want you to call Mobility Works. I want you to call a big VMI company or Braun company and say, hey, do you care enough about customer service to give me the owner's cell phone number? I'm going to guess they don't care enough about customer service to give you the owner's cell phone number. And when you call in, they want to transfer you 5 different times, get you someone's voicemail, and you never hear back from anybody. So if you want to do business with one of those big monster businesses and you just want to be a number and no one to actually know your name, have at it. Go ahead, see how that works out for you. If you want to talk to the owner, give me a call. Also, we have financing. We can send you an application to your phone, we can send one to your email, or we can take an application over the phone. Let us know what's easiest for you, and we are happy to help. See our entire inventory at mobility316.com. That's www.mobility316.com, where we've got detailed videos, free car factory reports, tons of pictures of all of our vehicles. And as always, thank you so much for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.